Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. So in the previous video we have learned about the WordPress editors. Today in this video we will learn about the WordPress themes. So let's have a look. So friends, when you view your website in your web browser, what you are seeing is your site and your content laid out according to the instruction of the theme. The theme is like a skin. So you can actually change the theme anytime you like and change the design of your site just by clicking few buttons. So if we go back into the dashboard, you can find themes under the appearance. Yes, under the appearance, you can find themes. And if you click on that, you can see the WordPress actually installed 3 themes. When it installed the version of the WordPress, yes, it's by default installed 3 themes: WordPress 2024, 2023 and 2022. So the theme is fully Gutenberg compatible. This is what our theme 2024 looks. We have installed 2024. We have activated 2024 theme. So let's have a look. And this is what our theme 2024 looks. If I will activate other template, let's suppose if I'll go back into the dashboard and if I will activate other template, let's suppose if I'll activate 2023, click on the activate button and it's activated. Now if I'll visit the site and refresh, you will see that the design has changed. Now your website design, website looks changed. If I'll activate another theme, now it's 2023. If I will activate 2022, for that I'll click on the activate button and it's activated. Again I'll go back to the site and I'll click on the refresh button. Now you can see the design has changed. So themes can be changed and there are number of options available to you. The first one is to use free themes. The second one is to use paid themes. And the third one is to build your own theme. Free themes are found inside the WordPress repository, which we will have a look at a moment. There are a lot of paid themes. There is a website called Theme Forest. It provides you the paid themes. We have also Studio Process, Template Monster. From these sites we can buy paid themes. So you can check out those sites by looking in Google if you want to find them, and you can also build your own theme. The easiest way to build your own theme is to use a plugin called Elementor Pro. It's not a free plugin, but it is excellent and it allows you to completely design your own theme. According to me, choosing a Gutenberg compatible theme is a good idea. Try Astra. It is a free also and it is a paid also. Astra has 2 versions. One is a paid and second is a free. The paid version has more features as compared to the free version. So if I'll go to the appearance and I'll click on the add new theme. On the top there is a button add new theme. It will take me to the WordPress theme. This is where I can find lots and lots of free themes. You can see here we have got a list of some of the most popular themes. These all are the most popular themes. You can find latest themes also. These all are the latest ones. There is a list of latest one themes. There is a list of blog themes. And favorites. There is a no list for that. And there is a feature filter. You can find featured filter where you can say I want to have one column, like I want a layout in a website like a one column website, two column website, three column, left sidebar, right sidebar, white blocks, custom background. You can select the subject like it's e-commerce, education, entertainment, holiday, food and drink, news, photography, portfolio. You can apply filters to your theme. Here now, if I'll go back to the dashboard, from here again I'll click on the add new themes. Now you can choose any one of the theme that you want from here. Let's suppose I'll choose this one, 27, or there is a lot of themes are there. Okay, you can click on the preview button and it will give you a quick preview of your site. Yes, it will give you a quick preview of your site. How it will look using that theme. If you decide you like it, you can click on the install link and that will install the theme. Now it's installing. You can see on the top there's a button install. I'll click on that. Now it's installed and I'll click on the activate. Now if I'll go to the parents, I'll click on the themes. Now you can see 2019 is activated. Theme name is 2019. If again I'll go to the site and I'll refresh that, you can see now our theme is changed. Our WordPress site look is changed. Now there is a one theme called Astra. Let's try Astra. So click on the add new theme. We will search here for Astra. This is the one of the most popular theme. Firstly, we will have a preview. This will be the preview of our site. If you will like that and you want to install, then click on the install button. It will take few seconds and it's installing. It's installed. Now we will click on the activate. You can see now Astra theme is activated. And if we will visit the site, you can see our look is now changed. Astra has been activated. As I said in this video, some paid and premium themes are also available that you can buy. So in the next video, we will learn about the WordPress plugins and widgets. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy.